Welcome to Anna Physics. First of all, I am glad that you all impressed with my first video, and thank you very much for encouraging me through your comments, WhatsApp messages, personal calls, and also for your suggestions. Now I am sharing my views and thoughts about this channel Anna Physics. This channel mainly focuses on the aspirants of IIT JEE and NEET. Every year, more than 10 lakh students appear for each one of these two examinations. Although all of them are aspiring to join the premier engineering or medical colleges, where the environment really helps the students to improve their overall personality, unfortunately the number of seats available in them is less than 50,000. That is, each aspirant must be ready to face the heavy competition. Then obviously a big question arises: how to succeed? I sincerely admit the fact that I cannot answer this question, as I feel this one is the most difficult question which is not ever asked even in IIT advanced question papers. IIT JEE question paper is filled with many questions, and not only to test your subject knowledge and also to test your comprehensive, logical and analytical skills. When you attempt a question, then by analyzing the given information, you need to apply your subject knowledge to crack that question. So, years of mental exercise is to be done to improve these kind of skills. And moreover, you should also have psychological strength. There are plenty of good popular coaching institutes across the country to train the students for IIT JEE and NEET. I had worked as a faculty in a few popular institutes, and now also I am in association with a coaching academy. I trained thousands of students aspiring to JEE and NEET, and so I got the opportunity to be experienced with the different kinds of students having various concentration, grasping and thinking levels, various logical and analytical skills, and various psychological strengths. With all my experience, I started this channel to provide the content which can improve you in many aspects. I clearly inform you that here you don't get any kind of regular course for IIT JEE or NEET. For regular course, you can join one among many good online or offline coaching classes. Suppose if you aim for getting into IITs in which the total number of seats is hardly 10,000, then you must be in top 10,000 out of all 10 lakh students. Then you will obviously decide to join a famous coaching institute to succeed in heavy competition. These coaching institutes advertise that the large number of their students only secure good ranks, and hope you prefer to join them to make your dream true. Being a faculty of such a famous coaching academy, I can say this is true to some extent. Bright students generally prefer to join famous institutes due to their good success rate. This created a commercial competition among popular coaching institutes to increase their market. Suppose if all the 10 lakh students join the classes of only one institute or several, or without having any coaching, and appear for IIT JEE, only 10,000 can get into IITs. You should never forget this fact. Then what is the role of coaching institutes? See, among all the 10 lakh students, which composition of 10,000 students will get into IITs is majorly decided by these coaching institutes rather by original skills of the students. In coaching centers, students are usually trained to practice a vast number of challenging questions and can be mastered in the art of speedy solving, which is an extreme factor in deciding their success in the heavy competition. Due to this vast practice, at least for 2 to 3 years, whether they succeed or not, are significantly losing their irreversible and valuable personal and social life during their crucial age from 15 to 18 years. I noticed that vast practice may help many students with a lack of analytical skills to get into IITs. In contrast to that, vast practice does not suit for some students with good analytical skills. Instead, it spoils their performance. In either way, vast practice is not at all good. Vast practice makes the students lacking in social awareness and psychological strength, which are absolutely necessary for any person in his life. This is the major reason for many students, even after getting into IITs, unable to perform up to the mark. Many students in rural areas and economically backward families are really suffering to get corporate coaching. Being a person from a poor family in a rural area, I know that most of the rural students are mentally strong and very good at logical and analytical thinking. These qualities are quite enough to handle with examinations like IIT JEE and NEET if they are provided with a right guidance. Although this channel Anna Physics is a little inclined towards rural area students, others can also follow, but the regular courses are not offered here. Then I must answer for this question. What is the actual intention of Anna Physics? Let me give the details in 5 points. First one, Anna Physics is not a conventional or alternative coaching center to make you as rankers, because the total number of seats available in premier engineering or medical colleges cannot be altered by any coaching institute. Now, second point, this channel is intended for the students aged from 12 to 18 years, that is from 6th to 12th standard students. The videos will be regularly uploaded to enhance your comprehensive, logical, analytical and subjective skills. Third point, the video content might be sometimes in the form of asking and solving the questions, sometimes the explanation of confused or complicated or sensitive concepts for better understanding, and sometimes the actual details of the concepts which are already familiar to you will be given to get more clarity. Fourth point, the information is shared to get awareness of many things and to improve your mental ability. That is why sometimes the content is related to physics and sometimes related to many other things in the world. Now the most important fifth point, don't follow this channel only to succeed in IIT JEE or NEET. Just assume that if all the students across the country follow this channel, is it possible for all of them to succeed? No. But all of them can learn and improve their skills and their thought process. This ultimately helps you all to lead a better personal, professional and social life in your future. No matter whether you succeed in JEE or NEET or not, Anna Physics is wishing you all to improve your overall personality. This is all about Anna Physics. Just wait for a moment. Whenever I am in front of a pond, I am excited to do with stone skipping, because in my childhood I am interested with stone skipping. Let me try it once. Yes, we can also make scientific explanation for this kind of phenomena. So what? Knowledge acquirement ఎవడి బాబుగాడి సొమ్ము కాదు, యారోడప్పవాడ సొత్తు ಇಲ್ಲ, किसी का बाप का संपत्ति नहीं है. Last but not least, Anna Physics not only for physics, also for improving your thinking abilities. Okay, see you again.